Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Fani Rismail Zaryani, NPM 21610033. Here, I will explain a little about what is time and preferences. Did you know what is time? Time is the continuous sequence of existence and events that occurs is an apparently irreversible succession from the past through the present into the future. There are some vocabulary from time. The first is a quarter, yaitu 15 menit atau biasa kita sebut seperempat jam. The second, a half, yang artinya 30 menit atau setengah jam. Second, yaitu detik. Minute, yaitu menit. Hour, yaitu jam. Past for British, after for USA yang sama-sama artinya lewat. And the last, to for British, off for USA yang artinya sama-sama kurang. And there are two common ways of telling the time. One, formal but easier way. Say the hours first and then the minutes. Example, 7:45. For minutes 1 through 9, you can pronounce the 0 as O. Example, 11:06. 2. More popular way. Say the minutes first and then the hours. Use past and the preceding hour for minutes 1 through 30. Use to and the forthcoming hour for minutes 31 through 59. But, example, 15 minutes past 7. Yang artinya jam 7 lewat 15 menit. And the next, 15 minutes to 8. Yang artinya 15 menit menuju jam 8. Another possibility of saying 15 minutes past is a quarter past. Another possibility of saying 15 minutes to is a quarter to. Another possibility of saying 30 minutes past is half past. Example, 5:30. And this is example for a clock. A clock, past, a quarter past, half past, a quarter to, 2. Use a clock only at the full hour. Example, 7 o'clock, but 10 past 7. For times around midnight or midday, you can use the expression midnight or midday or noon instead of the number 12. Example, 12 midnight or 12 midday or noon. To make clear where necessary whether you mean a time before 12 o'clock, noon or after, you can use in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Use in the morning before 12 o'clock noon. After 12 o'clock noon, use in the afternoon. When to change from afternoon to evening, from evening to night, and from night to morning depends on your sense of time. Example, a quarter past 3 in the morning or a quarter past 3 at night. And 3:15 a.m. It is not usual to use a.m. and p.m. with past or to. And the next, American English. Beside past, Americans often use after. Example, 10 past 6 or 10 after 6. But in time expressions with half past, it is not usual to replace past by after. Beside, the Americans often use before, of, or till. Example, 10 to 6, 10 before 6, 10 of 6, or 10 till 6. Yang artinya sama-sama 10 menit sebelum jam 6. Atau 10 menit menuju jam 6. And the next material is what is preferences? Preference is that the fact that you like something or someone more than another thing or person. Preference dalam bahasa Inggris merupakan ungkapan pilihan atau pendapat yang lebih disukai seseorang tentang benda, kegiatan, orang, atau yang lainnya. Preference juga dapat diungkapkan melalui beberapa kata, seperti kata would rather, would prefer, like, and dislike. First, would rather. Would rather plus bare infinitives, kata kerja tanpa to. Example, I would rather go now. Saya lebih baik pergi sekarang. Rather plus bare infinitives plus than plus bare infinitives. Example, Gio would rather stay in my house than go home. Gio lebih baik tinggal di rumah saya daripada pulang ke rumahnya. Would rather plus bare infinitives plus nouns plus than plus bare infinitives plus nouns. Example, you'd rather speak English than French. Kamu lebih baik bicara bahasa Inggris daripada bahasa Prancis. The second, would prefer. Would prefer plus two infinitives plus rather than plus bare infinitives. Example, I would prefer to live in a warm country rather than in a cold city. Would prefer plus two infinitives plus nouns plus rather than plus bare infinitives plus nouns. Example, you'd prefer to do something rather than take a sleep. Prefer plus to infinitive. Example, I prefer to live in a village than in a city. Prefer plus nouns plus to plus nouns. My brother prefer football to tennis. Prefer plus verb ing plus to plus verb ing. Example, Rian prefers walking to riding car. Like plus nouns or verb ing plus better than plus noun or verb ing. Example, I like swimming better than jogging. Dislike, I dislike noun or verb ing. Example, I dislike reading. I don't like or enjoy or love plus noun or verb ing. Example, I don't like vegetables. That's all I can explain about time and preferences. I apologize if there are some words that are not clear. Thanks for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.